Hello everyone, this video is about how to take the door schedule of a Revit model. Okay, this is the model I am going to use for this task to get the door schedule of this model. Okay, you can see that there are few types of doors are there. This one is, yeah, one type. Yeah, this is another one. This is another one. It means there are few type of doors which you can see here. Okay, let's think. Here in this project I have already taken the door schedule. You can see that under the schedules, this is the door schedule. You can see that there are four types of doors as D1, D2, D3, GD1, width, height and count. Okay, I will delete this one. Okay, now under schedules there are no any door schedule, so I am going to take it as a new one. Okay, for that first enter the view tab, then schedules and quantities. This is the button you have to click. Okay, under schedules there are many type of schedules which you can take by using this model in Revit. Okay, here I'm going to select door schedule. Okay, okay, these are the fields which we can take into our table, it means into the schedule. Okay, although there are many fields, I'm going to select height, width, type and count. If you need, you can add cost or date of publishing, description, the leaf height, family. You can add anything, but here I am adding these four fields only. If you need, you can add many other fields too, and you can create new parameters, new function, it means equations like that. I will explain these tools in our next video. Here I'm going to tell you how to take a primary or basic schedule by using Revit model. Okay, click OK. Okay, you can see that this is the schedule I took, and but you can see that there are many D1, 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 D3, D3. It means these fields are not gathered, or we cannot always the count is 1, as although there are 4 D3s, count as 4 ones. Okay, to edit that one, enter into the properties, and this is the in the fields we can arrange that one. Field sorting and group. I will sort this table by type, and I will remove that tick mark, itemize every instance. If I click on that box, there's no any change, but only the order is changed. But if I click on this sorting and grouping type and I remove itemize every instance, now you can see that there are 5 D1s, 2 D2s, 4 D3s and 2 GD1s. Okay, this is a way of taking door schedule in Revit.